Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In previous session, we discussed about the problems on indefinite integrations which are depends upon linear property and formula and trigonometric functions. Today I will give another problems on that one. Okay. Evaluate integral of a power x minus b power x whole square whole by a power x into b power x dx. This is very important problem. First consider the given problem. Integration of a power x minus b power x whole square by a power x into b power x dx is equal to, we are observing that the numerator is in the form of a minus b whole square. That's why first expand the numerator by using the formula a minus b whole square, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab. According to this formula, numerator becomes integral of first term whole square a power x whole square plus b power x whole square minus 2a power x into b power x whole by same denominator a power x into b power x into dx, that is equal to, now split the terms. In the numerator we have three terms, first term, second term, third term. So first term by denominator plus second term by denominator minus third term by denominator. So you will get integration of a power x whole square by a power x b power x plus b power x whole square by a power x b power x minus 2a power x b power x by a power x into b power x whole dx. Okay. So that is equal to, we are observing that in the first term numerator is a power x whole square, in the denominator we have 1 a power x. So this a power x and square getting cancelled, remaining part is a power x by b power x. In the similar way, in the numerator we have b power x whole square, in the denominator we have a power x into b power x. This term and square getting cancelled, so b power x by a power x minus a power x getting cancelled, b power x getting cancelled. So remaining term is only 2 in the third part whole dx. Okay. Now by using the linear property, separate the terms. So one more thing here, we have in the first part a power x by b power x. For both denominator and numerator we have same power x. It can be written as a by b whole power x into dx plus integration of, here also we are observing that numerator and denominator are has same power, that's why we can write as b by a whole power x into dx. 2 is the constant term, take outside from the integration, 2 into remaining term is only 1 into dx. Now observe the structure of this first term. Clearly the first two parts are in the form of integration of a power x dx. The formula for integration of a power x dx is a power x by log a. According to this formula, in the base we have a by b instead of a. So you will get the formula as a by b whole power x whole by log of a by b. Please try to understand the structure of original formula. A power x integral a power x dx is equal to a power x by log a. Compare this first part with this original formula. We have a by b instead of a. That's why you will get a by b whole power x by log of a by b plus second part is also in this form, but we have b by a instead of a. So you will get b by a whole power x whole by log of b by a Finally, integral 1 dx is x, so you will get minus 2x. Integration is completed. That's why we can add the constant c after completion of integration of all terms. And one more step here. A by b whole power x whole by log a by b can be written as log a minus log b. According to the properties of logarithmic function, log m by n is equal to log m minus log n. By using that relation, you will get this one plus b by a whole power x whole by, here also we have log b by a, which can be written as log b minus log a minus 2x plus c. So in the first both parts, in the division 1 by log a minus log b is the common term. So first term is a by b whole power x. Here actually we have log b minus log a, but you are taking the common term log a minus log b. That's why you will get negative sign here. B by a whole power x minus 2x plus c. This is the final answer of the given problem. Okay. I will give another problem now. Please see the next problem. Find integral of x power 6 minus 1 whole by 1 plus x square dx. Okay. First consider the given problem in the solution. Integration of x power 6 minus 1 by 1 plus x square whole dx. First split the terms. In the numerator we have two parts, which is x power 6 minus 1. So it can be written as x power 6 by 1 plus x square dx minus integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx. According to the linear property, we can easily separate the terms. That is equal to, for this part we have a direct formula. What is the integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx? Tan inverse x. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to tan inverse x directly. But we don't have the direct formula for this part. That's why in the denominator we have 1 plus x square. That's why first add 1 and subtract 1. So you will get x power 6 plus 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx minus the integration of this one is tan inverse x. That is equal to, now again separate the terms. Integration of x power 6 plus 1 whole by 1 plus x square dx minus integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx minus tan inverse x. Okay. Now this first part can be written as x power 6 can be expressed as x square whole cube plus 1 can be written as 1 cube whole by 1 plus x square dx. So again here we get integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So you will get tan inverse x. Already we have another tan inverse x here. Now what about the first part? The numerator is in the form of a cube plus b cube. Okay, x power 6 can be written as x square whole cube. 2 3s are 6. That's why 1 cube can be, 1 is nothing but 1 cube. Now what is the formula for a cube plus b cube? A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Sorry, this is minus. According to this formula, a is nothing but x square. So that is equal to, first term can be written as integration of x square plus 1. X square plus 1 into a square, x square whole square. Here a is equal to x square. That's why a is equal to x square. So you will get x power 4 minus a into b, 1 into x square plus b square. B is nothing but 1, so you will get 1 square is nothing but 1 by x square plus 1 whole dx minus tan inverse x minus tan inverse x. You can write as 2 tan inverse x. Now we are observing that x square plus 1 getting cancelled. So what are the remaining terms? Integration of x power 4 minus x square plus 1 whole dx minus 2 tan inverse x. Now what is the integration of x power 4 directly? X power 5 by 5 according to the formula integral of x power n dx, power formula, minus what is the integration of x square? X cube by 3 plus integration of 1 dx, simply x, minus 2 tan inverse x plus c. So this is the result of the given integration. In this way we can complete the problem. Thank you very much. In the next session I will start the new model. Thank you very much.